What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making a duck with Chinese mushroom. I prepped the duck last night. I clean it like usual. I cut it into half because I already cooked half. I don't want you to complain. Oh, how long did it take? See this duck? Last night I marinated with ginger juice, little cognac, and little salt. And this morning I took it out and then I let it dry out because I'm deep frying it.
You put it in the refrigerator overnight?
Yeah, had it all dry, and then you can see there was juice on the bottom. Let's fry the garlic.
Is that oil?
Yeah, vegetable oil. We'll deep fry the duck. See, you want brown it. Then I'll take it out and then put it on the side.
Flavor the oil too, Joyce?
Yeah, basically, yeah. You're absolutely right. Hey, Colvin getting better.
Can you just buy garlic oil?
I guess so, but also that the garlic will be tasty. The duck is pretty dry. You can tell like you like it's dry. Skin down.
Is that like deep frying it?
Almost. You have to let it deep fry for a while. Don't get too close. I don't care. Not guarantee it's nothing flat. Don't move it, or the skin might come off. And just leave it alone.
You'll turn it over later?
Yeah. Okay, touch the duck. Okay. See that? I don't move it. It doesn't stick. You see the bottom? Nice, right?
Yeah, golden.
Golden. I'm going to flip it. Don't go too close because it might have water. And cook this side. See how beautiful it looks?
Yeah.
It doesn't, okay, I'm going to turn it lower. But let it do for like 5 minutes and I'll transfer it into a different pot and then start cooking it. Did it get you?
No.
This isn't touch it when you're cooking. That's why it's not golden. I'm going to tilt it and then do it for like a minute. I think this turned out better because this is drier than the one I made earlier. That's why the skin is more brown and nice. Colvin, I'm staying to eat it. I'm going to transfer to a new pot. You don't even need oil, but a little bit of liquid, and duck soy. See, these are the mushrooms. I prepped it already. Some are big and cut into half. And just put it on the side. The juice from soaking the mushroom. I'm going to put more water. This is hot water to make it cook faster. And then let it cook until you can poke it through. Like an hour and a half.
Medium heat?
Yeah, I'm going to turn it medium when it boils back.
Do you have to cover it?
Yes, I'm going to cover it and let it cook. If you want the garlic to disappear, you put it in now. If you want the garlic to, you can see the garlic. Then I'll put it in like maybe 45 minutes later.
Okay.
Well, let's check this. Okay, oh, boiled pretty fast. Okay, I'm going to take the duck out. It doesn't even need to make a thickening sauce. The sauce is a little more liquid. But for you, we'll make the thickening sauce because we'll pad the sauce a little bit.
Okay.
Thickening sauce. Little water.
And I'll make more sauce too.
That's not it because you're adding water to it. When it boils back, and that's it. And we can play it and then we can have dinner. Music to Colvin's ear.
Mm-hmm.
I even make the duck feet. What was that? Not for me. Just boil back and thicken already. I put the garlic in later, then you can see it and eat the garlic. For presentation, you need to flip the mushroom.
Oh yeah?
Well, because it's nicer this way. I shouldn't have cut the mushroom. The mushroom was just too big not to cut because you want the whole mushroom nicer looking. Anyway, it's not staying. I'll fix it for the picture. I totally screwed up the sauce. Picture time!